Hello friends, in today's video, let's take a look on how to clean the cartridges of the water purifier. So here I have taken Live Pure, but this process is common for all the water purifier. So here what we should do is like first we need to disassemble the top layer. So for this I just need to remove the screws. So now I have disassembled it. So now what you should do is like you need to take the complete photograph of the water purifier, how these pipes have gone and where and all it is connected, everything, because while reassembling if you do a mistake then it will become a problem. So to avoid the confusion, so always make sure that you do a video or take a photograph so that you should not miss any connections. As a next step, you have to remove these cartridges. Here you are seeing the first cartridge, that is the sediment filter. That's where lots of dirt will be there. So like first you have to disassemble these pipes. So it's very easy. Here I'm showing a simple trick. So you just need to press the lock mechanism given here and then pull the pipe back. So that's all, it is coming out. Same way while inserting back also you have to do the same process. So this lock and unlock mechanism is very simple and it will be common in almost all the water purifier. Once you lift out these pipes, you can notice that there is some residual water coming out of this cartridges. It is common. So use some dry cloths so that this water will not enter inside motor and it will be safe. So now we have to remove the cartridge. So I have removed this cartridge, but mainly I need to pull out this sediment filter. Sediment filter is the main cartridge wherein almost all the dirt of the water will be there. So now let's see how we are going to clean this sediment filter. Here you can notice that there is a dirt, it is already coming out of this filter like this. So all you have to do is like you just need to hit it a bit hard to wall or use any hard substance, just hit it on the sediment filter. So this dirt will start come out like this. If you are using municipal water then the amount of dirt will be less, but if you are using borewell water definitely dirt will be more. So you need to repeat the same process, like hitting it hard and then just shake it and then pass a fresh water like this. One side of the pipe if you pass fresh water, from the another pipe you should get a good water. Until you get a good water you just need to repeat the same process. So I'm showing you again. Here you can notice like a dirty water is coming out like this. See, you can notice this dirt will block this primary sediment filter. So once this dirt start blocking this primary sediment filter, all other filters, like they'll not get a sufficient amount of water. So obviously you will notice like there is a slow purified water coming out of your filter, or it will take time. So once you call customer care service, again they will come and say like all the cartridges we have to remove and we have to reassemble. Again they are going to charge money. So like in order to increase the life, so first you have to clean this sediment filter. So doing operation like this will definitely enhance the life of the sediment filter, and this will overall enhance the life of the water purifier. Also it is also good to use a pre-filter. So pre-filters, there are good pre-filters are available online. You can purchase the same. Anyway, I am going to provide the links in the description. Alright, now the sediment filter is completely clean. Other filters cleaning may not be required, but still if you want you can repeat the same operation for other filters as well and make sure that good water is coming out, so nothing is blocked. So you can notice like some instructions also present on the top of this water purifier, like which one is for input and which one is for output. So you can also use the same to like in case if you have forgotten, you can use these instructions to assemble it back. So like as a next step, what I'm going to do here is like I'm going to clean the inner tank of this Live Pure water purifier. Again, like some water purifier have a luxury to remove this water tank alone and clean, but Live Pure doesn't have like this. So this particular model comes with the inbuilt tank. So I'm going to, like, use some lemon and vinegar to clean this tank. And then, like, once I clean like this, I just flush it out with the fresh water and reassemble it back. All right, so now tank is also purified, cartridges are also clean. So now, as a next step, we need to reassemble it back. Reassembling is simple. Use the photograph or the video, whatever you had captured. Just reassemble the pipes in the same manner. Use the same lock unlock mechanism as I had shown you earlier to refit the pipes back, and then just test it out before you put the body, so that you will get a fresh water. So this entire process takes around 30 to 45 minutes, and do this same operation at least 6 to 7 months once the warranty period of your water purifier is over, so that you will get a good life for your water purifier. So if you have any questions, please shoot out to me in the comment section. I'll respond it back to you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.